In this video, we're going to see how we can use the ultraviolet waves in our daily lives. Look at the position of the slider on the electromagnetic spectrum and notice the wavelength. Well, as you can notice, the wavelength is about 1.4 times 10 to the power minus 8 meters. Now we'll click on the Info button to find out how we can use the ultraviolet waves in our daily lives. Well, they come from the sun and UV lights, for example, in sunbeds. We can detect them with photographic plates or when they make chemicals fluoresce or glow. We use them for getting suntan, checking for forged bank notes, and catalyzing some chemical reactions. They can be dangerous because large doses can cause sunburn or even skin cancer.